Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to show you some amazing ideas how you can make your garden look amazing, aesthetically appealing. There are plenty of ways to give your garden an instant lift without having to call in the professionals for hard landscaping, which can also help you to save the landscaping ideas. Not only this, you can add a lot of flowers to your garden. By garden backyard ideas, you can also add flower beds. Flower beds that have different heights can be used. Architectural structure plays an important role. If you are asking for an architecture, make sure to hire a good one. Adding a wooden furniture to your garden will also make your garden look aesthetically amazing and appealing. Not only this, if you are adding furniture that is antique and that is of golden colors, of colors that are warm and add style, would add be one of the most important things. The cumulative years of experience and emerging trends, you can also add a lot of garden ideas. Whether you are not much of the gardener or you're just looking for easy ways to overhaul, remember to use architectural designs as well. You can also use jewel tone plants as well. The easiest way to transform your outdoor space with plants. But with that, you have to choose random colors and cards as well. Remember to use one of the most influential things, which is flower bed. Also, the aesthetic ideas can be shared everywhere. Adding trees to the garden requires a little patience as well. If you don't have to have the remotage if you want to afford them, remember to use small bits as well. Also, with this, you know that all you need to choose is a suitable liner as well. A small color palette can also be very useful. Remember to use small colors and colors that are warm, colors that add colors to your personality as well. Every color lifts up your mood. If you have to leave your furniture outside during the winter months, remember to cover them as well. Also, aesthetic ideas can be seasonal as well. Style display aren't just for interior, you can also put some of them outside. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Do not forget to share it with your friends as well.